In this video, we're going to show you how to create a peekaboo text design over a portrait. First, make sure you have a design open in the Canva workspace. Next, go to the editing toolbar and click on the background circle to open the drop-down menu where you can choose a color for your background. Once that's set, it's time to bring in the photo you want to use. You can find it in your Uploads folder on the left side toolbar or browse photos in the Apps folder further down. Once your photo is on the canvas, resize it as needed and remove the background. You can do this by clicking Edit in the toolbar, opening the image drop-down, and selecting Magic Studio's Background Remover. You'll also find Background Remover directly in the Edit toolbar. Click it, and Canva will do the work for you. Now, we need to add a new page to the design. Click to add a page, then bring in a rectangle. You can either find one in the Elements folder or simply press R on your keyboard to add a rectangle instantly. Position the rectangle so that its left border aligns with the center of your design, then resize it and change its color to a dark shade of your choice. Next, add your text inside the rectangle, making sure to adjust the letter spacing so the letters sit close together. Once your text is positioned just right, change the text and background color of the entire page to white, but don't change the rectangle color. Now, go up to Share and download page 2 as a PNG file. Once it's downloaded, bring it back into Canva by either uploading it from your Downloads folder or dragging it directly into the Uploads folder using the drop-down arrow at the top. Once it's uploaded, you can delete page 2 from your design. Drag your uploaded PNG onto your original design, placing it over your image. Select the text rectangle and remove the background again. Then, click on the text rectangle. Go to Effects under the image drop-down and select Duotone. Click on any color option, then change both color circles to white by dragging the selector to the top left of the color menu. For a final touch, consider adding a border around your design to enhance the effect. And that's how you create a peekaboo text portrait. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.